It's Annalisa watching video number 228 from Duke. And this is Teddy heading into the dog park.
Man trailing app is going. Camera is going. Teddy's at the dog park. There's the dog. Okay, are we ready? Take scent? Yes. Search. Search.
I bet that's a stinky area to start. Wow, that's a tough start.
Was he in here? Was he in here? Yes. Okay, where's Teddy? Where's the dog? Search. Where did he go? Where did he go? Did he go this way? Are you sure? Did he stop and pee there? Where'd he go? Where's the dog? Come on. Search. Come on. Search. Search. Well, it's a nice quiet day. Of course, there's no wind. I think Teddy's headed for the dog park.
Nice
But
checking.
he is. He's not going there in a straight line.
I also like how Duke is making decisions. Great.
Did he go that way?
Good job being patient.
We're gonna go up that way, are we? Okay. He seems pretty strong going this way.
Good job not tripping.
Nope, he didn't go that way. Okay. Did he go this way? Did he go this way? We've got a breeze blowing from right to left. It's just a slight breeze, but that could be putting him over here. Or the dog might have just walked over that way. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I stepped on the leash. My fault. Ugh. Did he go in there? Did he go in there? Do we have to go in there? Is that the dog we're looking for? Is that the dog we're looking for? Come on. There you go. Did you find him?
Oh,
Did you find him? Is that the dog we're looking for?
fantastic. Fantastic. Great job. Yeah, he did a great job. You could see him making decisions, and a good job being patient with him when he was sniffing around and figuring it out. This is a great trail, fun trail, and good job. I did want to add one thing. I don't know how long the trail was aged, to assess about like wind and exactly where it would be at that point. But starting at the dump station, that those smells for my dogs are the absolute hardest to work out of anything. So he did a fantastic job. It took him a little bit to get on it, but then he did, and maybe that's when he was, maybe a certain number of feet away from where the dump porthole was actually happening mostly, and the scent would be a little bit less, a little further away, and then he picked up. So that was great.